Hello planner lovelies, how are you guys today? I'm doing quite well, and I want to share with you the second half of 2017, kind of my wrap-up flip-through video. So we're going to start here with July. If you missed the first video, just go on over and check that one out on my channel, or check the eye in the sky. It'll be right up there. So here is my July dashboard, and it was a lot of happy planner stickers. This sticker was from Target, and then we had some random washies. I've got some Target, some Dollar Tree, Michael's, and then some from a kit. So I like how that came out. My dog's name is Liberty. So, yep. And it's a funny story. She got that name because when I got her from the pound, the only collar I had that fit her, because I used to do dog rescue a long time ago, back in North Carolina, because it was desperately needed there. For some reason in the South it was really, really badly needed at the time. But the only collar that I had that would fit her was an American flag collar with Swarovski crystals on it. And it was the most adorable thing. She outgrew it in 5 minutes. I wish I still had it. I have no idea what happened to it. But I went to pick her up at the vet, and it was her and some other puppies that I was taking in to, you know, potty train. I had to actually bottle feed the entire litter. Like, there was a ton of things. I am an animal lover through and through. So she got the name Liberty. She was the runt, but she potty trained first, she weaned first, and she was the smartest one out of the group, so she was mine. And she's been with me ever since. She's moved with me from North Carolina to Texas, Texas back to North Carolina, North Carolina to Washington. She has flown 2 different times and she hates it. So anyway, quick story. Her name is Liberty, so I love her very, very much. And she is a Husky Lab mix, and I don't think I've ever put her on my channel because she's like 14, pushing 14, so she's an old grouchy girl and she doesn't like cameras. But let's get into this. So we've had 2 pet stories in front of these flip throughs. Here is my July monthly spread. This was amandakcrafts. This was my 4th of July kit, and this is from Brianna Nicole Designs. So cute. So, so cute. I think I need to order more Once More with Love. I love Once More with Love, but she's so expensive. And I didn't buy anything at the PBC sale. Oh my goodness, I know, right? So I was doing this thing where I was kind of like journaling, and then, no. Oh, if you missed it, there is a vlog on my channel. It's not really a vlog. It was just like the fireworks show that we went to. It was in Des Moines Marina. It was beautiful. And then this kit was from Temp Loves Crafts. And more journaling. This was a collab with Anna from A Loves 22. And then we have the Summer Blooms kit here from Watercolor Blooms. Anything that you hear with blooms in the title is more than likely from Watercolor Blooms. Who is this kit from? This was from JB Planning. I won this from Chloe Sherwood, like the forest. Sherwood. She's CS Plans on Instagram. I won this for her 1-year YouTube anniversary, and I love the kit. It was Carnival. It was from JB Planning. That brings us to August. Now, starting in August, I started struggling with my planner a little bit. If you guys have been following me, you know that. I didn't really do much with this, and 3 of the things that I had goals didn't get completed. So I didn't even do anything with this. I was just like, I don't know what to do with that. Turn your rays into yays. I was like, okay, cool. This was a printable that Miss Beth sent me that was for April, and I went over it and changed it to August. And it was all hand cut and stuff by me. And then this was leftovers from Libby & Co. And the full boxes were from Plan with Pizzazz. It's a mermaid kit. And as you can see, I'm like, might need some time off YouTube. I was really struggling. This was a disaster. I never put it anywhere. This was the countdown to school starting, and it was like leftovers from, oh, Cricut Paper Co. I at least put it down there. And I had a terrible week, and no matter what I did, I could not get anything to look good in this spread. So we're going to quit looking at it. Alrighty, this spread is from Amber's Design Studio. It's glossy, beautiful. It was going to be her June mystery kit, but she quit making printed stickers. I think this one's on my channel. I'm pretty sure this one's on my channel. This is from Plan with Pizzazz. This was the week of the Game of Thrones Season 7 finale. It's a Belle-inspired kit. This was the second Plan With Me Design Group collab. It was Plan With Me Design Group. It's called Glamping. It's from Peekaboo Planning as well. It's cute. And then we're going to get into September. Here's the dashboard. Just getting ready for school, getting ready for fall. I was just trying to get my groove back. And it was also mine and hubby's 4th anniversary this month. So here is the monthly spread. I'm positive I never have shown this on my channel either. Did not fill out the sidebar. The stickers showed up super late due to the post office losing them. And that's all I got to say about that. And then wow, I won a lot of giveaways in 2017. This kit was called Book Nerd, and it's from Erica G Designs. I need to go back and buy from her. She has beautiful premium matte paper. It was absolutely gorgeous kit. I love it. And I used Book Nerd because this was the first day of school. And then this was Brandon Nicole Designs version of the Love Story clip art, and I used it for my anniversary, which is right here. This is my anniversary. And I don't know. It's beautiful. The kit it all came together really, really pretty. Yeah, it was really funny that I have it twice in my planner. If you missed that, it's in the other video. This one, I'm pretty sure is on my channel. It was like Dream Catchers from that, oh my gosh, Formless Designs. This was a printable from Anna. She sent it to me because I don't have a printer, and she prints on premium matte, so this was a printable. And then I used leftovers from various places. And Brooke's birthday is October 3rd, so we celebrated over this weekend. But here is my October dashboard. Again, using a lot of Happy Planner stickers and just a little bit of these bottles over here because it went with the Double Double Toil and Trouble. Here is my October monthly, and again, I didn't fill out the sidebar. I don't think I filmed this, but it was from Templess Crafts. Templess Crafts does great monthly kits for the Happy Planner, and they're cheap. And when you're on a budget and you're really tight and you're trying to do things without buying a printer or ink or paper or anything like that, I really liked her kits, obviously, because I've used them several times. And then this is Brooke's birthday week. I think I filmed this one. It's got Scribble Prints Co. leftovers, and then I don't remember where these from. Anna sent the green stickers to me, the glitter. I don't remember if it was Palm something or something like that, but there was Scribble Prints Co. leftovers that Chloe sent me, and then some stickers that Anna sent me, so that's how it all came together. And then this was Happy Planner stickers and stickers that were leftovers that Chloe sent me from Planning Roses. If you notice, a lot of these I put the shop down here at the bottom in some way, cut it out of the kit, and I want to remember to do that for this coming year as well, because it helps me when I'm doing these videos. And then this one is from Amber's Design Studio. It was another one that I bought during her shop, like she was closing out. And this was the A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes. So what is this, Cinderella? A dream is a wish your heart makes. I think this is Cinderella. So this was the dark Cinderella kit. And then this was the week leading up to Halloween, and this kit is from Temp Loves Crafts, and it was called Pastel Halloween. I'm sorry if you can hear Cora screaming, she hears me talking. And then we have the November dashboard notes page thing. I have, oh, these stickers are the pumpkin patch, and then these pumpkins. I'm obsessed with those two pumpkins. I don't know why, but they were from a Sticko set that I think I got at Walmart. I don't know. The November monthly spread, which I'm pretty sure is on my channel. This was from Rose of the City Prince. She's in Tennessee. Is that it? Rose of the City Prince? Yeah, see, I put it right there because I knew I wouldn't remember. This was a kit that I got from... Who is the vinyl that I've been... Cricket Paper Co. Was it Cricket? Really? I don't even know. I don't even know. I think it's like Cricket Paper Co. or it's Cricket something. And then the little deco stickers. This was my first full vinyl kit, and vinyl is tough. If you use vinyl on a regular basis, kudos to you, because I struggle with it greatly because I feel like it doesn't, I don't know if theirs is cut weird or what the deal is, but it was really odd. The little deco stickers are from Megan Renee. Where's her? Oh, I have the worst memory. So, hopefully I have something somewhere. This was Fall Fashion from Brianna Nicole Designs. We had the Fall Out Boy concert. This kit here was from Megan Renee. I didn't put her name, her like name of her company. I think if the company's name on the stickers doesn't match the kit that I'm using, like if they have hot pink branding, I don't put it on the page because I'm like, that doesn't match. And then this kit was from Page Plans for Thanksgiving week. She's a Canadian shop. Love how it came out. I loved all the little bow accents that she had in her sticker kit and things like that. It was absolutely gorgeous. Oops. See, we're getting kind of on the fat side of this planner. This stuff here was from Brianna Nicole Designs. And we started our Christmas countdown. Who is this from? Oh, this was from Brianna Nicole Designs. This was my kind of my newest foray into white space planning. I was giving it a go. Had a horrible week. I don't think I filmed this at all. It was so bad. Then we're going to go into the December monthly notes and dashboard. As you can see, not much. Just a little bit of like kit washi up there, and then I think everything over here is Happy Planner stickers. Well, not everything. These little gingerbread do guys are from ANC Stickers Luminosity Prints. I got those as a freebie last year. Here is the Rose of the City Prince December monthly spread. If you guys notice, I normally buy 2 monthly kits at a time. If there's a sale, because most shops have 2 months out. So that is how that works for me. And then this was also from Rose of the City Prince. It came out pretty. I was sick. I felt so bad. But the countdowns were from Sarah Elizabeth Prince for Thanksgiving and for Christmas. So if you guys haven't checked her out, check her out. This kit was called Traditional Christmas. It's on my channel, and it is from Shepherd's Supply Co. I kept calling it Shepherd's Supply Co., but it's like Shepherd's or something like that. And I don't have my little book in here, so I could like flip to the freebie and tell you exactly what it is. Oh, Shepherds. SHEPHERDSUPPLY Shepherds? Oh, that is Shepherds. Why did I think this was like something funny? Anyway, for some reason I was thinking it was like Shepherds. I'm losing it. It's been a long week, okay? And it's only Tuesday? Wednesday? Monday? I don't know what day it is. I have to look at my planner. My planner's not in here. Alrighty, yes, Cricut Paper Co. More vinyl. I hate that this... I don't like using the word hate, but I hate how this turned out. Like, I don't even know how to describe it. This is leading up to Christmas Eve, and I hate it. I mean, the stickers were pretty. I just don't like what I did with it, because I think I was rushing. This isn't on my channel. So there's Christmas Eve, and this was like Winter Floral by Cricut Paper Co. You can see, I'm like, nope, 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 nope. Oh, we'll do stuff here. This was just, no. It was no. Pretty kit, horrible week. Didn't film it, didn't like it. So, and that wraps up all the way to New Year's Eve. I don't like the gapping in the vinyl. Some of the stickers seem to be cut fine, and then like the half boxes and quarter boxes seem to fit great. Little things seem to fit great. The headers and the full boxes and checklists seem to be a little narrow, so I'm not sure. Plus these kits didn't come with washi, so it made it really difficult to fill space, and they ended up inherently being white space either way. So in there you can see is the blank notes page, and then the Hellos 2017, and then the back of the stripes. So just so that I know what planner this, well, I won't forget because this is the only happy planner I have. I might flip the covers, but for now, that's all of 2017 in my classic happy planner. I hope you enjoyed the flip through videos, and I will see you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.